Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am glad to have you here. On today's video, I am going to be teaching you how to make your YouTube thumbnails using CAPCUT. Now I've imported an image I saved from Google. Then I'll go ahead to turn the aspect ratio to 16:9 as that is the standard YouTube thumbnail size. Then I'll further drag the image to fit the canvas. After doing that, I will go further to overlay to bring in the image I downloaded from Google. To remove the background of the image, simply go to Google and type BG remover and it will remove the background automatically. Then I'll position my image to the place I want it to be. Yes. Okay. With that done, I'll go over to add another overlay, but it's going to be a CapCut PNG that I downloaded from Google. I'll go ahead and import it. Then I'll go ahead to adjust it and drag it to the right corner of my thumbnail. Yes, good. The next thing to add is our text. Now I'll go over to add text and type in my desired text. Yes. Okay, so this place should be thumbnail. Let me use capital letter. Thumbnail. Yes. Here. And after that, I'll go to style and choose my desired style. And I'll also choose my desired background. I'll choose the background color that fits my text. Just play around with it. Yes, do well to play around with it. So this is my background. Okay. I will also choose the background color that fits my text. So let's go with black. Yes, black is okay. Yes, and if you're using background, always remember to choose something that is going to make your text stand out and that is not going to be competing with your photo. Everything should have the ability to stand out on their own and get attention on their own. Your text should be basic, your font should be basic, your photo should not be complicated. If you stick to these basic rules of thumbnail making, you are going to be getting clickable thumbnails and of course potential subscribers. So we have to add another text. This should be tutorial. Okay, so I will change the font to something bold. The style, this should be black. Then the background should be white. I think this is nice. Just choose something basic, something that is catchy. Yes. So I'll just adjust it to make sure that they are in uniformity. Okay. And please do not overload your thumbnails. Make sure they are short and simple and straight to the point. Now it's time to color grade our thumbnail. To do that, we'll move to our filter and tap on HSL feature. So this is our HSL feature and we just click on it and alright. Click on yellow because yellow is the background. Well, as you must have noticed, the color of my background is coming out as I increase my saturation. Yes, so the aim of this HSL feature is to make your color to pop and to make it to be very bright and catchy. So if you want to create or if you want to recreate this content, make sure to tag me. I want to see how you're doing in your editing skill. I'll make sure to like and of course subscribe to your channel to support you. So now after doing all that, I am going to screenshot it. And yes, because if you are trying to export most of these features in CapCut, most of them are pro and they can't export, especially when you haven't subscribed to the pro version. So I will simply screenshot this. Good. You see how our thumbnail is looking? Very catchy, short, simple, basic, yet captivating. So after I've screenshotted this, I'll go to my gallery, then I'll crop the SSs. Yeah, yes. Voila! Our thumbnail is ready. It's so ready. What do you think about this thumbnail, guys? Is it nice? Is it something you would like to try out? I want to know your thoughts in the comment section. And I really hope you understood this and I hope it was worth your time. Make sure to subscribe and say hi in the comment section so we can interact. If you want to learn how to make your images talk or sing, do well to click on the video showing on your screen. Until I see you in my next content. Bye bye.